It's me, Tigger. One blustery day in the Hundred Acre Wood, a little bear named Winnie the Pooh set off in search of honey.
Look, Mama, look! I'm a kite! Hang on tightly, Roo!
Happy Wednesday!
We'll save you, Piglet!
First the wind, and now this.
Whee! This is fun!
Goodness gracious!
Hello! Follow me, right this way. Dear honey, beware, beware. Have the lonesome woozles, have the lonesome woozles. Dear honey, is very confusing. I have a lot of baby slides. But if they don't you just before your eyes, you'll see it multiply. What a wonderful dream.
Wake up, Pooh! Wake up! Wake up, Pooh!
Oh boy, it's your birthday.
It's time for your party, Pooh!
Hooray! Happy birthday! Hooray! Happy birthday!
Hooray!
I do hope you like my beautiful bear.
I've never seen so many presents.
Hope you like my present.
Presents for Puffy.